Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Laina.
I'm Dr. Jamie.
Today we're going to chat with you about things you can do to double check whether your rib is out of alignment. As chiropractors who've been practicing for 27 years, we get that question a lot. Hey doc, do you think my rib's out? I think that may be what's bothering me. So we're going to show you how we check to see if your rib is out of alignment. So many people don't realize that their ribs actually come all the way up and through here. So one of the most common places people have what we call a rib out is actually right through here along the shoulder blades. So many people think they're muscle knots, but when we take our thumb along the shoulder blade, we can actually feel these ribs that are not moving the way they're supposed to. They're stuck. In other words, they're out. And they'll cause quite a bit of pain. It'll almost feel like there's a toothache behind your shoulder blade, and you may even find you're trying to go up to the corner of a door frame and massage this out. And one of the other things that happens when these ribs go out of alignment, the most common symptom people come in with is actually pain in the front of their shoulder. So the way that those two things are related is that these ribs stop working the way they're supposed to because, do you mind taking your arms forward like you're on a computer? Because people are slouching their shoulders forward this way, causing too much strain in this area, pulling on these ribs and pinching on the muscle in through this area. And so that's a really common thing that people actually feel the pain first in the front of their shoulder and often coming down their arm, when the majority of the problem is actually coming in through here. So besides just feeling this ache behind your shoulder blade that could be causing that could be a symptom that your ribs are out of alignment, another really quick and easy check is to simply take your arm and put it behind your back. So if your rib is out of alignment, what you'll find is that with one arm, it's pretty easy to get it behind your back. And then what we'll notice is with the arm, the patients are really having trouble getting that arm back. That's because those ribs are stuck in this forward position. So those are some quick and easy ways to see if your ribs are out of alignment. If you're wondering if that could be your issue, that's something that can really only be solved by a chiropractor. So give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out. If you liked this video, we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe below or click the like button, and please let us know of any other questions that we can answer for you.